The kitchen represents the heart of every home, and the tools we choose for cooking and serving reflect our values around quality, aesthetics, and the care we put into feeding those we love. Mass-produced, characterless bakeware might serve basic functions, but it fails to deliver the joy that beautiful, thoughtfully designed pieces bring to both cooking and presenting meals. When a single dish can transition seamlessly from oven to table while enhancing your decor and impressing guests, cooking becomes celebration rather than mere task. The Jemirry Ceramic Casserole Dish with lid embodies this philosophy perfectly, combining high-quality porcelain construction, stunning hand-painted artistry, and versatile functionality that transforms everyday cooking into extraordinary culinary experiences. This exceptional ceramic oval baking dish represents the intersection of practical performance and aesthetic excellence. The beautiful blue finish with charming hand-painted flower patterns creates visual appeal that enhances any table setting, while the 2.27 quart capacity and 500 degrees Fahrenheit oven-safe rating handle serious cooking demands. Whether preparing family dinners, hosting holiday celebrations, or seeking the perfect housewarming gift, this casserole dish for oven use delivers beauty and functionality in one elegant package. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. The foundation of exceptional bakeware lies in material quality, and the Jemirry Casserole Dish delivers excellence through high-quality porcelain construction specifically engineered for optimal cooking performance. This premium ceramic material promotes superior heat conductivity that ensures even cooking throughout your dishes, eliminating the hot spots and uneven results that plague lesser bakeware. The generous oven-safe rating to 500 degrees Fahrenheit accommodates virtually any recipe requirement, from gentle slow-baking casseroles to high-heat roasting applications. This temperature tolerance provides the flexibility that serious home cooks demand, enabling everything from delicate bread baking to robust meat roasting without equipment limitations. The versatility extends across all major kitchen appliances. Microwave safe for convenient reheating. Dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. Freezer safe for make-ahead meal preparation and storage. This comprehensive compatibility streamlines kitchen workflows while protecting your investment through safe, appropriate use across every application. Note that direct flame and induction cooker use should be avoided to maintain the integrity of the ceramic construction. The thoughtfully designed dimensions strike an ideal balance between capacity and practicality. At 13 inches long, 8.27 inches wide, and 6.1 inches tall, with 2.27 quart volume, this lasagna pan accommodates substantial portions for family meals while remaining appropriately sized for special occasion entertaining. Family daily cooking finds perfect support in this versatile capacity. Weeknight casseroles, weekend roasts, and everyday side dishes all fit comfortably within the generous dimensions. The depth accommodates layered dishes like lasagna, while the width provides adequate surface area for gratins and roasted vegetables. Special occasions benefit equally from this practical sizing. Birthday dinners, wedding celebrations, baby showers, and holiday parties all find appropriate capacity for entertaining scale portions. The elegant presentation quality means dishes transition directly from oven to table without transferring to separate serving pieces, simplifying workflows while enhancing visual appeal. The visual impact of the Jemirry baking dish with lid distinguishes it from ordinary bakeware that prioritizes function while neglecting aesthetics. The beautiful pattern design featuring hand-painted flower motifs creates charming decoration that enhances both kitchen and table environments. This artistic attention transforms functional cookware into display-worthy pieces you'll be proud to showcase. The popular blue color choice coordinates beautifully with diverse kitchen decors and table settings. Whether your aesthetic leans traditional, farmhouse, contemporary, or eclectic, this versatile shade complements existing elements while adding distinctive visual interest. The timeless appeal ensures the piece remains stylish through evolving design trends. The hand-painted nature of the decoration adds authentic artisan character that mass-produced printed alternatives cannot match. Each piece carries unique, subtle variations that reflect genuine craftsmanship, creating personal connection between maker and user that elevates the cooking and serving experience. The practical applications of this Dutch oven-style baking pan span virtually every category of oven cooking imaginable. Lasagna preparation finds ideal support in the generous depth and even heat distribution. Casseroles of all varieties, from comfort food classics to contemporary creations, cook beautifully within the premium porcelain vessel. Protein preparations including chicken, roast beef, and pork benefit from the covered baking capability that retains moisture while developing flavors. The lid traps steam and heat, creating the self-basting environment that produces tender, flavorful results without constant attention. Bread baking enthusiasts discover exceptional performance for artisan loaves. The covered baking approach creates the steam environment that develops perfect crusts while maintaining moist interiors. From rustic bowls to elegant dinner rolls, the versatile design accommodates diverse bread-making applications. Additional uses include pasta dishes, pumpkin preparations, soups, flans, gratins, bean dishes, cassoulet, oyster bakes, potato casseroles, and quiche. This comprehensive versatility justifies the investment through countless applications across every season and occasion. Beyond personal use, this ceramic casserole dish makes an exceptional gift choice that recipients genuinely appreciate and use regularly. The combination of beautiful appearance, practical functionality, and lasting quality creates presents that demonstrate thoughtfulness while providing genuine utility. Housewarming celebrations find ideal gifts in quality bakeware that helps new homeowners establish their kitchens. The elegant presentation suggests sophistication, while the practical application ensures regular use rather than forgotten storage. Birthday celebrations, holiday giving including Thanksgiving and Christmas, Valentine's Day expressions, Halloween treats, and countless other occasions all find appropriate gift options in this versatile piece. The amazing practicability surprises recipients who initially appreciate the aesthetic appeal, then discover the exceptional cooking performance that makes this dish a kitchen essential. This dual value proposition, beautiful and functional, creates gift-giving success that reflects positively on the giver. The dishwasher-safe construction dramatically simplifies post-cooking cleanup, addressing one of the primary frustrations that keeps some bakeware underutilized. Rather than tedious hand-washing with careful attention to delicate surfaces, simply load this durable ceramic dish into your dishwasher alongside other dishes. The smooth porcelain surface resists staining and food adhesion, releasing residue easily whether cleaned by machine or hand. Even baked-on sauces and caramelized edges typically rinse clean without extensive scrubbing, respecting your time and energy after meal preparation. The freezer-safe capability enables convenient make-ahead meal preparation that suits busy household schedules. Prepare casseroles and dishes in advance, freeze in the same vessel, then bake directly when needed without transferring between containers. This workflow efficiency maximizes the practical value of investing in quality bakeware. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.